What's up guys? I thought this would be a pretty fun video to find out exactly what's in these app installers that you see on all different types of platforms. It's not just on Bluehost. I think GoDaddy has it, One and One, like all the major providers have some type of app installer on them. And they're mostly used for WordPress. But if we look, these are the categories themselves. There are just a ton of different things that you can install on here. So I'm going to find a couple of them and we're going to install them and we're going to see what's up. Okay, so it looks like most of the blogs on here are just crappy versions of WordPress. So I'm going to skip those and I'm going to go ahead and look at some other things here. Ooh, Portals CMSs. Oh my goodness, that's cool. So I've seen Joomla before. It's pretty much also kind of like WordPress too. So I'm going to skip that one as well. Open real estate. You can post listings of properties on here, sort through listings. So this is like a MLS almost. This might be profitable. This is why you look at things. This is cool. This is why we look at stuff. This is cool. All right, we're gonna install it. So we got two. So this is the front-facing website where customers would look at it, and this is the back end, which is where I'm interested in the most. Let's check it out. It says free real estate right there. That's awesome. Sure, I'll save it because I will forget it. Wow. Okay. Could change the logo. Add a web counter. Gather traffic. Okay, so it tells you how to put Google Analytics on there. That's pretty cool. I mean, Atlas color solutions. 5 ready-to-use color solution. Okay, so it's got themes. Let's do Sandstone. Let's check out Sandstone. That's cool. We're gonna keep. Oh God, what is that? Oh, administration. Okay. That's pretty cool. Let's go through the blog. Let's see. Change your logo. Could do SEO. I'm gonna keep the logo. City location, maps, Google Maps, payment services. Wow, you got everything on here to change, man. This is really kind of cool. Forms editor, mail editor. Huh. So if I didn't want more, just unclick that. And I'm not too sure where the save button is. Is there a save button? Let's see if that's saved. Yeah, it did. Wow. Okay. Let's see how easy it is to put a listing on there. Oh, looks like they have little templates already. Oh, that's cool. Oh man. Wow, this is a fully flushed little MLS, man. This is all. I'm gonna have to remember this. That's actually that's a pretty good find. So the first one's a good find. I'm gonna chalk this one up as a win because if I have some real estate person, this is gonna be pretty darn cool. We're gonna chalk that one up as a win. All right, we're gonna go to forums here. Let's see what type of forums they got. PHP BB, used by millions. Yeah, this looks like a normal forum actually. I see a lot of forums that look like this. I feel like we're already gonna know what this is gonna do, and it's just a forum. So we're gonna leave these alone, the forums too. Let's see, really a big fun thing to do there. Social networking. Let's see what's on social networking here. Professional social media to build online dating services. Ooh, object-oriented PHP. Ooh. Let's look at the screenies. Oh my goodness, this looks spammy. Oh my, look at that. Oh, that looks like shit. That looks a little better. Alright. Okay, let's install it. Alright. Let's see what it looks like on the client side. Oof. Man. Oh, what the fuck? What? What is this? Oh no. Oh my god. Here we go. Let's log into the back end here. These captchas are hard, man. I cannot see that. Is that an O or a Q? 9-7. Captcha check failed. Maybe it's a Q. Maybe it's a capital Q. I don't know what to tell you, Captcha. This is insane. Alright, I'm gonna try and log in from here. See what happens if I log over here. You kidding me? This is insane. I'm gonna have to make an account. I'm gonna have to join my own site. No, these backgrounds got to go. Might be compromised. Okay. Good thing I didn't use my normal password. Yeah, I don't know if this thing is supported anymore, man. This might be broken. I mean, it was a good shot, but let's see. That's a bit spammy. This thing is broken. Man, I really wanted to see what was on the inside of this thing, so we're just gonna have to explore it over here. It looks like just showing the front page of everything. Anyway, I mean, maybe it just never goes anywhere besides the front page. They just have fancy front pages that have people walking on the screen with a camera. It just never goes anywhere else. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one. Okay, well, let's check out calendars. You can't mess up a calendar, can you? Can you mess up a calendar? Okay, it looks like you already messed up a calendar. That doesn't look like a calendar to me. We have games. Browser-based RPG. Black Nova Traders is a space exploration game with PHP, SQL, and Java. And Shadows Rising is an RPG with PHP, Java, and XHTML. I'm going to do this one. Seems easier. Let's check it out. Oh, cool. Okay. We broke it. Unless I have to go to admin.php. Okay. Nope, just didn't work. Okay. Didn't work. It's too cool to be true. We're going to try Shadows Rising. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. It's broken. Cool. So the last 3 things we tried on this store is completely broken. I want at least one that's going to work. So we're going to look a little bit here. This is totally knocking off Salesforce. Yeti Force. Oh. Look at that. Very cool. Whoa. Good hand guy. This is the most innovative free CRM system in the world. Wow, that really turned free. That was free for a second, right? Just a couple of seconds. Now it's totally not. A little confused about that part. But I'm sure we'll find out, because I'm totally downloading this. All right, let's see if it actually works. That's cool. Okay. Oh man, if I actually like this, it's gonna be a problem. I actually did have to pause the video, pause the recording, and go back to find my password because I'm that crazy. Okay, now it looks like LastPass is being a dork. So just my luck. Right in front of some widgets. We'll work on the left side then. Leads, accounts, partners, vendors, competition. Oh my. Let's check out the marketing campaigns here. What can we do with this? Oh wow, you can get, oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is really a full-fledged CRM. Well, let's not make that decision yet. Just getting excited here. This actually might be a good find too. We might have found two good things out of this. All right, let's start with adding a company at least. An account. Farmer Joe's Shack. Added. He's a member of. Oh no, that'll hook him up to another account too. This is already blowing my mind here. He is assigned to me, so you can have users on here. You can put his balance on here. I don't know if that's realistic. I mean, maybe. I mean, wow. They got a portal. Wow. Needs a real phone number. That's cool. Legal form. All right, let's just say he's a sole proprietor. Wow, there it is. That is cool. So I guess if you guys don't know what a CRM is, I probably should have explained this first. So basically what a CRM is a customer relationship management tool. So places like if you call Verizon up, they can put your name in here on the top here. Let's say you're a contact. They'll put their name in there. They'll find you, and all your information will be inside of there. So this is extremely powerful, and it looks like this is very flushed out. So it's got contacts. We can add a contact easily right there. That's cool. So just created a full contact right there. That is cool. Let's see what else we could do here. Projects. We got projects and stuff in here. Support, accounting. This is expansive. There's no way I'm going to be able to get through this entire thing. I'm probably going to cut a lot of things that I did inside of here out because it's just going to take too much time. This thing is a video on itself. If you guys want to see more about this, comment below and we can do it if you want. But that's awesome. So it looks like we got two pretty cool things out of this. We got Yeti Force out of this, and we have the open real estate. So we found two pretty cool things. Some other things did not work, like the games, but I mean, I guess it's expected. I mean, look how old this kind of looks. I don't understand why they still they don't update this. This is weird. It's like there's a lot of old stuff. SEO panel. There's just so much stuff in here. It's crazy. Well, if you like this video, want to see more, let me know. Happy you watched. I'll see you.